All right, let's bring you back to South Africa now, where the case against over 80 people arrested after the attack and rape of 8 women in Krugersdorp is yet to begin. The victims were attacked while shooting a music video at a mine dump in the area. Let's go to eNCA's Nqobile Madlala, who's outside court where protesters have gathered to condemn the crime. Nqobile, give us an update of what's happening inside and outside.
Well, Maseko, we are still outside. We understand now that court is about to begin just shortly, but I want to show you what I have behind me. I still have the brigades that are still outside here, still just picketing outside. We understand that they are picketing in support of the people and the victims, the people of the West Rand that have been struggling with the illegal minings, as well as the victims that have been affected by the gang rape in the area. Now we understand that they remain here. There are, of course, a lot of organizations that have come here. We heard earlier on from Operation Dudula that they are going to the police station, where they are going to be blockading the police station, saying that nobody will come out. Now we understand that they're already in conversation with the police station. They're saying that they want the police station to be under administration. There are a couple of people that have come in as well from the Youth League, and we are going to bring in those people to hear what they are here to say. I mean, we understand that you come from the ANC Youth League, but I mean, a lot of people here have said that the problem on the ground is that they are not seeing any leadership. As the youth, the people that were affected were also part of the youth. Tell me, sir, what is it that the youth is going to be doing for these people?
No, look, we are coming up with programs to protect our communities, led by the ANC in Gauteng, which has told us that we must establish committees and structures in our communities that will ensure that our people are safe, that will ensure that we are on the lookout for criminals. Or a crime occur, we are able to report it. Where we see these criminal elements, we are able to report them. So that is our responsibility now, not to live as passive citizens.
But wouldn't you say this is a bit too late, sir?
It's not too late. Remember, this problem is bigger than all of us. And this program has been going on for a while. And this is not the first incident. We've been in the forefront, but these people carry dangerous weapons. We don't have those weapons to fight back. So we need the police to come on board. We need the military to come on board.
How are you going to get the military to come on board?
No, there's been a petition to request SANDF to come to Mogale City. And in one incident, the road fell here because those people that are working underground are damaging our infrastructure. The minister was here. Weekly, there are Okaimola programs, but it seems like they're not sufficient. So today, we're here to demonstrate that we need them to respond.
But I think just highlighting what the people are also echoing here, they're worried that, I mean, you are the one in control. I mean, you are in power. How is the state petitioning itself?
No, it doesn't work like that. Remember, there are 3 arms of the state, and the separation of powers. So in terms of being a soldier, does not mean I need to be a member of the ANC. I'm a citizen. I've taken an oath to be in that particular position. So all these arms of the state, including the judiciary here, we must work together to ensure that the law is being adhered to. And it's not a partisan issue. It's a party of all citizens.
Thank you very much, sir. And I want to bring in some of the people that are also here in the forefront. So what brings you here, and what do you want to see happening today?
Look, basically the reason we are here is not necessarily to give support, is to show our disappointment, mostly to the party that has been mandated to rule and is refusing to govern. If this party was doing what it's supposed to be doing, we wouldn't be here. So the reason we are here is because people are in power. They allow a free-for-all situation. Now children are raped. 8 children are raped at the same time. And they rise up as if that's the beginning of the thing. More than the 8 have been raped or killed over over this particular period. Now, because this one happened at the same time, we think it's an isolated incident. It's not. People live behind locked doors. There's a curfew that was not declared. That is not declared. And that is primarily because the party is not willing to govern. So the people, this anger must be directed to those who are in power, because the ones who are in power are the ones who should be able to make sure that we are safe in this country. This is our country. It is not right. It is not correct to say that these Africans are allowed to go wherever they want. There must be order. We are living in an orderly country.
So how would you like to see it happening on the ground now? What would you like to see? What are the resolutions that you put forward?
The first one is this party must agree, must start to govern, and there must be, it is now the responsibility of this government to invade all these hiding places that these people are living in, and to make sure that the area is clean. Let the government do what it's supposed to be doing to keep our people safe. That's what we need.
Thank you very much, sir. Well, you can hear them, Masego. They're saying that the government must do what it's supposed to do. We do understand that a lot of civil societies have been here, as well as organizations, but they are just echoing the same sentiment. People need to be safe, and the government needs to do something about that.
All right, Nqobile Madlala with that report outside the Krugersdorp Magistrates Court. Let's leave it there for now. Of course, Nqobile will be able to give us more updates as and when the case progresses.